Today we're crafting with Dollar Tree items and we're making Christmas decorations. I'm using 2 bells from the Dollar Tree, spray painting the outside gold and the inside white. I'm rubbing the outside with black acrylic paint to make them look older. I'm using 1 foam ball and I'm adding that to the top of the bell. So many possibilities, but we are making a vase. Then I'm going to add the other bell to the opposite side. To cover the foam in the center, I'm using thumbtacks. Now I'm going to give this area the same look by adding my acrylic paint. And here's how this project turned out, guys. I hope you like this one. If you watch my short videos, then you saw this project a few days ago. I didn't like the way it turned out, so I asked you guys for your opinion. So I'm just throwing this in there to show you guys what I'm doing. It's just 1 minute. And then in the next project, I'm going to show you how I fixed it based on the comments that I got from you guys on YouTube and the rest of my social media. This is a canvas from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a 2-pack for $5. And I used 3 packs of bay leaves from the Dollar Tree also. And I started it at one corner. Now I'm going around the edges with gold trim. What I had in my head wasn't what I got on the canvas. Sometimes things doesn't turn out the way I want them to, but I thank you guys so much for your help. Your comments really helped me to make the decision for the next project that we're going to be working on. So thank you guys so much. And here's how it turned out. Let me know what you think. So I took it apart. I painted it with latex paint, and this is a beige color. For the glitter on the leaves, I'm using clear spray paint to seal them. Now I have some acrylic paint that I'll be using to create an outdoor scene, and I'm using this sponge to paint the canvas. I have 2 shades of blue and a gray, and I'm just mostly dabbing on the color and I'll blend them all together. So that is supposed to be the sky, and this will be the ground. I use my blow dryer to speed things up a bit. And you can see I'm shaking the leaves and I don't have too many fallouts. I'm cutting the leaves from the stem. This will be my main stem, and I'll just layer the leaves in a Christmas tree shape. Before I do that, I'm adding a green paint in case I have some gaps. I'm also using the same paint to tone the leaves a little bit. They're just too shiny. Now I'll use my hot glue to attach the main stem and then the leaves. And I use 4 packs for this. Now I'm done with the frame, so I'm just gonna fill the gaps with the rest of the leaves. I'm using my paint to clean up the edges a bit. Then I'm going to decorate my tree, and I'll just start adding it at the bottom, and then I'll start going around. I'm also using the chain to cut pieces for a star, and I'll place that at the top. Now I'm adding small stars with some rhinestone gems. And I'm using pearls for ornaments. And here's how this project turned out, guys. I hope you like this one. For our next project, we're making a door wreath. And I'm using this batting from Walmart, and I'm wrapping the wire wreath. I spray painted the wreath white. I'm adding 2 string lights to the wreath. Now I'm going to use polyfill to go on top. I'm going to be adding pine cones. I'm spray painting them green and gold. I turn the lights on so I can know where to place the pine cones. I'm also adding ornaments. I'm adding ribbon to hang my wreath. I'm also adding these 2 flowers from the Dollar Tree. Here's how this project turned out, guys. I hope you like this one. This is a DIY project on how to make a glam ring chandelier with floral hoops. I'll be using 5 hoops to start. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be using my drill. You can use any drill that you have. I'm starting with a smaller bit because these hoops are thin. So I'm starting with the smaller bit, just piercing the hole through each one, and then I'll come back with a larger bit. Now I'm going in with my larger drill bit, and this one is 11/64. Okay, and this one should give me the opening that I'm looking for without cracking my hoops. Now the next step is to sand the areas that I drilled, and I'm using a 60 grit sanding block, and I'm just going over those areas and I'm going around the hoops in case it's not as smooth as I want it to be. Now the next step is to spray paint my hoops. While my floral hoops are drying, I'm going to be working on this Christmas globe that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this is where my light is going to be. I'm just going to pierce a hole in the lid. This is just a recycled chain that I'll be using, and it's perfect for hanging my light. And I'm just using my hot glue to hold my chain on the inside. Now I'm going to be taking my rhinestone ribbon, and this ribbon is 3/4 of an inch. I'm just gonna go right around that lid and cover it completely. Next, I'll glue my push light in place, and this light I have a remote for it. It works with the batteries. You can use any push light that is 2.5 inches or less. So we're going to just glue it in there, and it's easy for when you need to change the batteries. You unscrew it and change your batteries. That's it. So my next step is to add some gems, and I have these ice gems, and I'll leave a link in the description box below for all these items that I'm using in case you'd like to find them. I'm just gonna go right around my Christmas globe with my gems, and I'm starting in the center. You can do it however you'd like. I'm just starting in the center, and I'm going right around with all my gems. You just need a small bead of glue for these gems. The gems hold really good to the plastic, so you don't need to put a lot of glue. I'm just gonna continue to go all the way around, and it should look like this when you're done. Now our floral hoops are dry. Okay, so we're just going to assemble all the pieces. To hang my light on the ceiling, I'm going to be using this screw anchor. I think that's what it's called. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can find the exact one. So it's been a couple weeks since I made this chandelier. Okay, I had it up, but it didn't look right to me, so I ended up adding 3 more. That's what I'm doing right here, adding 3 more floral rings so it can look fuller when I'm looking up at it. So I'm just taking my smallest ring and adding that first to the globe, and I'm just pulling my string right through. You can use any string, guys, any string that you have, a rope or anything that will fit through the floral hoops. Okay, and I'm just pulling them through from the smallest to the largest. I added this size is a double size, so I'll just place it just like so they can sit on top of each other, and that will work perfectly. Here's how this project turned out, guys. I hope you like this one. Let me know which of these projects were your favorite this week and if you'll be recreating any of them. If you missed my previous video, here it is on the screen. Just click that rectangular box to watch. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Please remember to give me a thumbs up before you leave and share this video with someone that may be interested. Thank you so much. Take care, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye bye.